Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking rice cooker chicken char siu wonton mee. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we are going to marinate our chicken. I have with me over here 2 whole pieces of boneless chicken leg weighing a total of approximately 630 grams, cut into halves. We'll add in 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you do not have brown sugar, you can substitute this with normal cane sugar. Now this dish is supposed to be sweet and savory, so don't worry about the sugar itself. 1 tablespoon of honey. Add in 1 whole piece of red fermented tofu. Now if you do not have this, you can replace this with 1 teaspoon of soya bean paste or fermented soya bean paste. Add in also 2 cloves of garlic, lightly smashed up like this. For that beautiful reddish hue, I'm just going to add in a pinch of red food coloring. Now this is optional. If you don't want to edit this in, it's fine too. Just a little bit. Otherwise, you look like radioactive chicken. Now we need to balance up the color a little bit. Add in 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Add in half a teaspoon of salt. And a few dashes of white pepper. I like to mix it up using my hand. Make sure you put the gloves on, otherwise your whole hand will be red in color. Okay, so we just mix this up well. After we have mixed them up well, we'll just leave this in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll start to cook our chicken in our rice cooker. Cut and wash up a few stalks of spring onions. Just lay the spring onions in the pot like this, right? This will enhance the flavor as well as the chicken will not stick onto the pot. I've marinated the chicken for about 4 to 5 hours and now we will put them into the pot too. Skin side up, right? Just put them in. Spread them out a little. Then just pour all the remaining sauce, including the garlic, into the pot. Very easy, very simple. Next, we'll close this up. We'll switch this to normal rice cooking mode. When this is done, I'll show you the next step. I'll see you back in a while. The chicken is done already. Let's have a look. Oh, beautiful and very fragrant. We will now remove the chicken. Oh, this is extremely tender and beautiful. Nice. Smells really, really good. Remove everything, strain the sauce, and I'll show you how to thicken the sauce. Now we are going to thicken up the sauce using a saucepan. Turn on the heat to medium or so. Pour in the sauce. Now, of course, give it a taste. If you want it more savory, add a little bit of oyster sauce or salt. It's really, really up to you. You can also thicken the sauce in your rice cooker, but using a stove will be so much faster. Alright, now we can actually slowly add in our cornstarch solution. Slowly add in and stir while we do so. Thicken it to the consistency that you like. So something like this will be good. Alright, now we'll set this aside and prepare our noodles. Boil some water using medium-high heat. Make sure it's boiling. Now we'll blanch some vegetables. I'm using xiao bai cai over here. You can use kailan or whatever vegetables that you like. Put it in. This will be pretty fast. As long as it's wilted a little bit, that means it's done. Okay? Alright, now I'll just remove the veg from the water. And now we'll proceed to cook our noodles. This is one portion for one person. Now remember to loosen the noodles first and make sure that the water is boiling. Then you put it in like this. This is wonton noodles. It comes in bundle, so this is one bundle. Alright, just go in. Just move it out a little bit for about 10-15 seconds or so. Then we remove it from the hot water or boiling water. Dunk in cold or room temperature water just to wash it out a little bit. This will help to give the noodles a little bit more al dente kind of taste or texture. Put it back in the hot water. Now we just need to heat this up. About 10 seconds or so will be good. Okay, now we remove it. And now we can assemble our dish. Now I'm going to show you two ways to season the noodles. One is by using the sauce from the chicken, and another one is just by using oyster sauce. Both are equally easy, and I'm showing you the first one right now. This is one portion of the noodles. Now you can add in 2 tablespoons or a little bit more, really up to you, depending on how much sauce you want. I'm using 2.5 right now. Mix it up a little bit. If there's not enough sauce, just add a little bit more to your taste. If you like chili, just add in some chili. It's really up to you. Now we add in some vegetables on the side. And of course, the chicken. Now I like to drizzle a little bit of sauce on the chicken to make it look more inviting, just a little bit. Okay, and this is one way to do it. Okay. Now for the second way is the way that I prefer a little bit more because I don't like my noodles to be too sweet. Add in about a tablespoon of the oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Same thing, mix them up well. Now if you do not want the noodles to be sticking like this, right after you cooked the noodles, add some sesame oil to mix them up. Same thing, we'll garnish this with our vegetables. As well as our chicken. Drizzle a little bit of the sauce on the chicken. And now it's time for lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. It smells really, really good. I'm going to try both, starting with the one using the own chicken sauce. It's a little bit on the sweet side. I think this will appeal to children and kids of all ages. Let me try the one with the oyster sauce. I prefer the one with the oyster sauce because it's more savory, and I love the smell of the sesame oil. This is really nice. Chicken. Oh. Tender, sweet, sticky, savory. This is really, really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. One more thing. If you've tried this recipe, let us know in the comments below whether you prefer the one with the original sauce or the one with the oyster sauce. Alright, see you. Bye bye. Very tender chicken, very good.